In today's video, I'm going to talk about what sticker packs are, why you should make sticker packs, how you can create sticker packs. In the end, I will share something valuable with you. So guys, stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Wish and welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyone that's are new to my channel, I make print on demand content and I will guide you how you can improve your print on demand shops. So hit that subscribe button to make sure you're getting the right tips without missing. So right here we can see the sticker pack. These are all the sticker packs and their prices are value to the money as it gives more sticker in the price of one. These are all the pictures or some text based designs of the sticker pack. The important thing you need to be careful is the spacing between the stickers, as if they touch each other it will be one giant sticker and customer will not like it. I will tell you in the video how you can avoid it and talk more about how sticker packs are effective. In the end, I also got a news for you guys, so stay with me. In competitive niches, many people don't have sticker packs and you can make sticker packs and people will be going to buy from you because it's value to money and it's very common. It's a basic sense, as if you ask a question from yourself. If you are a customer and want to buy a sticker, you will mostly likely to buy from a person who is offering more sticker in same price. I have witnessed some people, I have some my friends, colleagues, people who have made sticker packs on niches which are lower in results, and once their niches become larger, the sticker packs get them to earn a great amount of money. Now I will tell you how to make sticker packs. Before starting, I will recommend you to watch my video on trends. If you haven't watched it, go watch it and follow trends and get your first sale. So I am here on my Canva. I also use Canva to make sticker packs. Here you have to select the size of 4500 by 5400. Now go to the element section and type anything you want. Let me type here skateboard, or it's already here. Let's select random vectors from here which you think that it will look good. Moreover, many people don't have paid Canva, so you can use free vector as well. There is no problem in it. Here you can make some more of it. Here you have to be careful and place vectors with some distance between them, so now you can download it from here. Alright, when you are uploading the design, make sure you always choose patterns as they looks best on the product. Optimize all the products with pattern designs. Once you are done, then you can upload it. This is it guys. In the end, I would like to say that thank you all the people who subscribed and who are watching my video. The surprise is that if this video get more likes, in the next video I will give you paid Canva for free. So hit the like button guys, and thank you so much.